Are you looking for the best 12-volt toaster oven? In this video, we will break down the top 3 12-volt toaster oven on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Portable Oven 12V Car Food Warmer. This 12-volt oven model is ideal for cooking raw food and reheating pre-prepared meals. You can plug it into your car's 12-volt lighter connector to use the oven in cars. It can be used for a picnic or camp, then you can unplug it and enjoy warm food. It is a 12-volt oven that can be used as a slow cooker. Most meals will take approximately 1 to 2 hours to cook, while frozen meals may take longer. The unit does not have a timer or dial. This unit is ideal for truck drivers and construction workers as well as anyone who spends a lot of time in cars. Because the unit can automatically cycle between 140 and 230 degrees Fahrenheit, food won't burn. This unit is great for workers because you only need to plug it in and not have to program or stir the food. It is small and lightweight, so you can carry it around easily. It can even be used at airport security. You can eat healthier because you know exactly what you're eating, even if it is prepared by someone else. At number 2. Nostalgia BST3RR 3-in-1. Nostalgia's BST3RR Retro 3-in-1 family-size electric breakfast station is a perfect option for a rig owner due to its multi-function design. You see, this product is a toaster oven, coffee maker, and grill all in one convenient appliance. As a result, you could cook an entire breakfast just using this excellent device. There's no need for a stove or traditional oven with this versatile tool inside your RV. The appliance will cook your eggs, toast, and coffee all at the same time. This product's coffee maker was one that truly stood out as it can brew up to 3 cups at a time in only a few minutes. Due to this, you'll never find yourself waiting too long for your morning brew. You also have to love its compact design too, which should fit right onto your rig's countertop. This compact design will help ensure it doesn't take up too much of your RV's already limited space. It's an aspect that makes it a perfect fit for small campers, apartments, or even dorms. The product's control panel was another appealing trait to me. It'll make choosing between your desired settings, such as grill, toast, heat, and on-off, a simple and straightforward task. You don't have to worry about the cleaning process being stressful either. This cleaning process is such a simple task because its oven tray, crumb tray, non-stick griddle, and wire rack are all removable. If you're anything like me, anything that makes cleaning an appliance such as this one easy is a godsend. You get to choose between aqua, retro red, and pearl white. Each color scheme would mesh well in most rig interiors. At number 3. Aotto Personal Food Warmer for Car. This 12-volt toaster oven can be purchased for the price of around only $30 on Amazon, making it quite affordable. It consists of a bag-looking body and a heating plate fitted inside. It can be transported easily and uses little energy to reheat meals in 1 to 2 hours. To set up the cooking or reheating program, you will simply have to plug the power cord into the 12-volt socket in your car and you will have a ready meal in a couple of hours. It preserves moisture and evenly heats the food while cooking slowly. You will be able to enjoy your meal anywhere, without worrying about sharing a dirty microwave with others. To use the unit, choose a fresh or a prepared meal to cook from scratch or reheat and place it in a container. The container is then placed onto the heating plate inside the unit for cooking or reheating. You can use a container that is up to 3 inches high, 6.75 inches long, and 9 inches wide. You can use it anywhere where you have access to a 12-volt outlet, making it ideal for camping lovers, workers at a job site, people who spend a lot of time in their car on the road and away from their home and kitchen. This best toaster oven under $50 can thus help them to enjoy homemade food just about anywhere. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.